Hello, dear founder. Today I want to give you something really unique and really special. I'm calling not about AI these days. I want to speak with you about some things that I discovered just last week. It's such button. You can see it called Flic, yes. And what is a button about? So let me give you a short story. Discussed and got collaboration with this startup around 1 year ago, but everything changed last week when I visited Stockholm and met with one of these startup co-founders. The main idea, so this button, it's just like traditional hardware. Yes, you can see this is their wonderful page and they are significantly growing. But what makes them unique? I mean, what is a competitor advantage? Because we have a lot of such buttons. The biggest advantage is that it's right now open source. You can just buy this product. You can see they have different buttons, dual, solo. They also have hub for manufacturing and etc. etc. And the biggest advantage is that when you buying this button, you receive access not only to it, you also have possibility to configure it through the open source. For example, what I made when I tested this product. Yes, so I got such app, you can see, it's inside my iPhone. So I just created Node.js server somewhere in AWS. And what I did, I thought, okay, I will notify my like HR or office manager that I need a coffee. Simple step, yeah. And what I made, so I just simply created Telegram bot, launched it through the Node.js server, and configure according to this application. So you can imagine this button give information to my phone connected with the server, and server push notifications to the Telegram. And right now, when I'm, for example, pressing this button, yes, you can see it bring me coffee. If I make double, it's bring me double coffee. And what happened if I make it like a push? Bring me a lunch. So uh, this is a real cool innovation because this software provides you accessibility. As I mentioned, the biggest advantage is that they are quite affordable. You can buy Hub Plus button within $100, set up it somewhere in a manufacturing. And if you have demand in some materials, for example, you're working in a warehouse and right now your materials become empty, yes, and you need immediate notification to production that, hey guys, please deliver me as soon as possible, you're just pressing one button. That's it. And you can place such buttons around your manufacturing and it will provide you different stuff. The also one cool thing that this button can work without recharging for 3 years. Imagine 3 years. Guys, you don't need to like charge it one time per day as I'm doing with my smartphone. Yes, you just press this. Yes, it's where it's there is like a sticker, so you can push it to the refrigerator, to the some like I don't know board, and etc. And this button will work perfectly for you. So no need to do anything. You just configure it one time and that's it. And the biggest advantage is that, as I mentioned, it's open source, so you can do whatever you want, however you want. The only one stuff that you might need some experience in a software development, and our company will be happy to assist you with this. On other stuff, you can do it absolutely like by yourself without any stuff. There's a lot of wonderful case studies. I suggest you to look them, and I believe that some of them might be really interesting for you, especially for integration inside your business. And as I mentioned, it's about accessibility. So recently you needed to like create your hardware, tested hardware, set up manufacturing somewhere in China to deliver this. Then you will have problems with the maintenance. Right now, everything really affordable. just click one button on their web page. Yes, it will come to you. Then you configure this button, and that's it. For our developer, it took around 3 hours to make configurations. And again, it's because we just started using this. I believe that if we doing this for our customers, it would take even faster. Again, everything depends on your system and etc. And if we speak about AI, you can configure AI there as well. For example, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Veo3 because it's third-party tools. For example, I'm pressing this button and some, I don't know, funny video appear in my Telegram and improve my mood, and I want to share it with my friends. Of course, it's a little bit stupid example, but you can create your own, and I will be happy if you will write it in the comments below. It was your trustable chief executive officer. Hope this video bring you value. Like, subscribe. We'll see you.